Hi, I'm very happy that this young lad, he's traveled a long way to be with us. We've done a couple of surgeries for him. I've done a minor correction on his lips and also improved his speech. We've done a major speech surgery for him. He's been in the hospital for a week, and I want them to say how how it has been from their end.
As a father, I am delighted to have his facial correction done, and I am very much happy that his voice is also got corrected during this surgery, and this will give him much confidence in the public life in the near future.
Thank you so much. Could you please tell us when he had his first or second surgeries?
His first surgery will be done in Pune,
Okay.
Dina Mangeshwar Hospital by Dr. Vishwanath Jigjini.
And many years ago.
Almost 18 years ago.
18 years ago, he had his first couple of surgeries in a city near Mumbai on the west coast of India. And then now he still had this nasality in his voice. His lips also had a notching. We've done a little bit of that. That's how he looks now. We also planned a couple of more procedures for him when he has his next vacation or holidays. We're going to get his upper jaw and teeth done, maybe with an anterior maxillary distraction. A rhinoplasty will also help him. That's something they will consider, and we would do probably in the next few months or years. I hope your stay at our hospital was.
we are.
I mean, at least not too bad.
The staff is very supportive, and we are thankful to all the staff.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. All the best in your studies also. Take care. Thank you.